Disclaimer: all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled and professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Cool start though. I gotta check engine light on. We in Orlando and we finna go to the classics. So that's why you see the guys together and shit like that. But they got me no fucking spin cycle in this. Cause I sent you not. I come out of that shit, cuz. What the fuck? Man, just like that. That bitch back on.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, hold on. Alright, 1, 2, 3, alright, 1, 2, 3, baby, fuck it up.
So good. I'm power washing my shit. I done power wash the whole. Damn. Nah, that bitch look good though, I ain't gonna lie. That bitch do look good. But that bitch only take quarters. I do not carry quarters.
Que si le dan las cuotas esas, él le va a pagar la lavada.
Cause I need quarters. I have the money. I need quarters. Cuz. I had to pay for this shit. I need quarters, cuz. What the fuck? I had to pay for that bitch. Man, car done got clean. Inside the car done got clean. I'm finna slide to Walmart. Get some shit, cause we gonna bake. Feel me? We gonna bake something. I don't know what the hell we gonna bake, but we gonna bake it though. Good old trust the Walmart. Yeah. Good old trust the Walmart. Swerving not going whoa.
Shut the fuck up.
Man, don't she look good? Come on.
Tribute for Stevie Wonder.
Now you seen her first. We all getting Chick-fil-A in the cover table.
Everybody getting
Who told that bitch LJ? If you wanna know why Chip been making his face right now, it's cause he losing the bet.
Hey y'all boys, we on the game, right? Nah man, I just bet race that fam gonna lose the Cookman for 100. It's right here, y'all boys. Now when Cookman win, tell Rick to send my money. Y'all gonna see this shit live firsthand.
Oh no! Oh no! Come on now! No. Hey Jay, how you feel? Yeah! Hey, where you going? Defense! Defense! Defense!
Shut up, bro, shut up, bro.
Hey, son. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh! 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 What the fuck? Oh! Say you swear to God! Boy, what the fuck? Boy, what the fuck? Man, y'all niggas a joke, I ain't gonna lie.
That's oh shit. That's oh shit.
Shut your lame ass up, man. Shut your lame ass up, man.
You not finding that big girl, nigga done toast the goddamn blue. Toast the blue. Oh, you ain't getting nothing.
Yeah, that whole get that
The rebel.
She said she was on my kids. Bitch, I ain't buying a deal.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Van ain't nothing, nigga. Is that down payment? Right. Van ain't nothing, nigga. Is that down payment? The fuck you mean down? It's the van, nigga. Just have it once. The fuck up. Feel me? This ain't nothing but pocket change, so you can have this too. Feel me? A van and something. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Bro.
10, 11, 12. Come on, man. Band 13 for the speaker, bro. Fuck with me, bit, bro. A band 13? What food that? Chat.
It's a nigga bougie.
Chat.
The nigga bougie.
Chat. A band for the speaker right now, chat. He acting like
$1,000 for a speaker. He said no.
Feel me?
Damn.
It's a real band, cuz. Yeah, if I was 10 years old. No, you hate it. What the fuck, man? That shit scared the fuck out of me. Cat. You know what? Nobody did.
You got some Gucci? You got some Gucci?
I don't got no Gucci money, bitch.
You want some Gucci?
No. Gotcha, bitch.
Yesterday, I lost some money to this fuck nigga right here. Lost $100.
And we got no Chick-fil-A.
No Chick-fil-A. We did not get Chick-fil-A. Fuck BCU. Fuck FAMU too. Fuck everybody.
I know you said you buying us all Chick-fil-A, so I just know I was.
I was gonna get it off your money though.
Yeah, now we gotta get it off your money. I'm gonna get my food, bro.
Fuck out my face.
Nobody getting Chick-fil-A. Fuck that.
Fuck BCU, fuck FAMU, fuck all y'all niggas. Y'all suck. Y'all sorry as hell. Fuck the Wildcats.
Yeah, nigga. You really belt shit.
I know she got some good ass pussy. She can be my nutcracker. Come on. We're leaving.
We're leaving. Walk faster.
Let me jiggle your bells.
Bro, if you don't get that fucking camera out my face,
Come back.
I'm gonna scream and say, stop recording me. I swear to God.
Come sit on Santa's lap.
Santa.
Shit, cuz let's all go to the fitting room. You trying to buy it? What's the price tag? What you looking at, bitch ass nigga? Bitch. Keon finna be talking shit. Nutsack. Man, this nigga got a quarter zip on. You think you better than me, fuck nigga? Fuck nigga. Man. I don't even know why we in here. This nigga just window shopping.
You freaky bitch!
Damn. He got knocked the fuck out. They got your butt.
If you don't go to the gym, you got no business, bro.
Listen, bro. Be gay.
I'm gay, but you chose to come to this store. And you don't wear none of this shit.
Yeah.
If you don't go to the gym, there's no reason. I gotta go to the gym with Aloe now. Okay?
It's like going to Nike. You wear Nike.
No, I don't get good at shoes.
What's wrong with Nike?
I ain't saying that.
What you just said something wrong with gym wear. That's all Nike is.
Aloe wear and Lululemon.
But like Aloe got more style than Lulu. Lulu got the same shit on repeat.
Put some Lulu on her butt.
I really can't see if they had the Aloe quarter zip.
Hey kid, but you don't got no good. Bro. Yeah, creamer tree.
My AirPods right now. Are we dispersing?
Alright, cuz Lord.
Y'all just saying.
Take my black ass home.